Hey you guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today we have another wig review. Yay! Today's review is going to be for my ladies that's gray. It comes from the Converti cap line. I wanted to throw something in for you guys as well. So this one here is called Velvety Swirls, and it is a half wig, and it has so many combs and so many little gadgets to it. So what I'm showing you guys back here is that it has a drawstring. You can pull it and you can get the drawstring look like a ponytail or something like that. You get about 4 or 5 combs in this. So what I'm going to attempt to do, you guys, is pull this off. Obviously my hair isn't gray. I've been running this series now for the last couple years because I have to look out for my ladies that are gray and watch me, so you know they'll know what they're going to get as well. So what I was trying to do was leave out as little of my hairline as possible and push the wig back. I found this gold headband, which I've used before, and I thought that would look really good against this gray. So what I'm doing is going in and showing you guys, I'm going to first of all order this wig in black or 1B because you guys, it's literally everything. I mean, once you throw it on, boom, you got a style. Like, it's literally a throw and go. Even though it's a half wig, I felt like the hair texture on this felt so good. And look at this. Look at how I'm just taking my fingers and rolling this hair. Literally, I had to do no work. So this gray looks so good. I can only imagine how it would look at other colors, and then how it would look like in a natural 1B, because sis, it's gonna be everything. So what I'm doing is I'm just trying to like tuck my edges back as much as possible, and then I was playing around like saying if I wanted to give a middle part, or if I want to pull it up in a ponytail, or if I wanted to do a side part. So I wanted to see if I could give a faux part. So what I'm gonna do is just go in, and I kind of made it like a faux part, like on the left hand side, because you guys know I'm a left hand part girl. So I do like my parts on the left side. So once I did that and I kind of like moved that knot around, this is what I came up with, and I think it's really cute. You guys, if you have gray hair, or your mom or your aunt, or you're looking for something really quick for them for the holiday season, and you do not want to deal with lace, this is it. You get that color at the bottom, and then you get these gray throughout. So thank y'all so much for catching Wigmas today. I so appreciate it. I will leave all the information in the description box below. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.